Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Cook with Prashanti. Today I am going to share egg Hakka noodles recipe with you all. For that you need to first boil noodles and keep them aside. Next cut 1 carrot medium size, 1 small capsicum and 1 wedge of cabbage into juliennes and keep it aside. Now beat 2 or 3 eggs with half or 1/4 teaspoon salt in it as per your taste and make scrambled egg as shown in the video and remove it and keep it aside. To make scrambled egg in a pan, add some oil, preferably 3 tablespoons for this recipe. As it heats, pour the egg mixture and stir continuously by breaking them into small pieces. Now in the same pan, add some oil and if you wish, you can add some chopped garlic cloves, completely optional. Later followed by veggies and some salt. For some time saute it till they are soft. At that time you need to add the noodles and mix carefully. Now add scrambled eggs, chili and tomato sauce as per your taste requirement. Here I am adding, to keep it a bit spicy side, 1 tablespoon. If you wish, you can add 2 or 3 tablespoons for more spicy, and I am adding 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce or ketchup and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and giving it a good mix, and our egg Hakka noodles are ready to be served. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you like my videos, please hit the like button so that it would motivate me to bring more such simple and easy recipes to you through the platform YouTube. I have already shared how to boil noodles in my previous videos. I will link the video in the description. You can check it out there. Here I have used 150 grams of Ching's egg Hakka noodles in this recipe, which would cost around 30 to 40 rupees. If you bring this video to 100 likes, I will share veg Szechuan fried rice recipe on my channel. Thank you for watching till the end. Have a good day. See you next time.